In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on About Tablet at the bottom. Following that, select the device name over here and type in whatever you wish to, like Sunny. When you finished, hit OK to save your changes and confirm your choice by selecting OK in this pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!